Have you solved a kind of functional equational problem like this? We are given f of x squared minus x minus 3 equals x to the power of 4 minus 7x, and we want to find f of 0. You can pause this video, give it a try, and drop the answer in the comment box. Then I'll be solving this problem step by step. Let's consider the solution. From the given questions, we have f of x squared minus x minus 3 equals x to the power of 4 minus 7x. These are the given questions. And we want to find f of 0. So what to do is, from this domain, if I set my domain, which is x squared minus x minus 3 to be equals 0. Therefore, the whole of this becomes f of 0 equals x to the power of 4 minus 7x. But we cannot do anything to this right hand side yet. We have to leave this thing first. Then let's come back to where we have x squared minus x minus 3 equals 0 to find the value of x. So then we have x to the power of 2 minus x minus 3 equals 0. We solve this one quadratically. Let's transfer minus 3 to the right hand side, as we have x squared minus x equals 3. Then suppose I add half to both sides and square it. We are going to have x squared minus x plus 1 over 2 squared equals 3 plus 1 over 2 squared, using the completing the square method. And knowing this, we are going to combine this together as x minus 1 over 2 all squared equals, so for this we have 3 plus 1 divided by 4. So following the rule of indices. Then if this is over 1, we have x minus 1 over 2 raised to power 2 equals, we find the LCM here, multiply 4 by 3 plus 1, that gives us 13 divided by 4. And then we are going to take the square root of both sides, so that we have x minus 1 over 2 equals the plus or minus the square root of 13 divided by 4. And having square root of 13 divided by 4, we are going to have x minus 1 over 2 equals plus or minus square root of 13 divided by 2. Square root of 4 here, it gives us 2. So the next thing is we are going to transfer this minus 1 over 2 to other side. Then we are going to have x equals 1 over 2 plus or minus square root of 13 divided by 2. This is what we have. Finding the LCM again, we are going to have x equals 1 plus or minus square root of 13 divided by 2. This is the value of x. So since this is the value of x, so the next thing is, if you now recall from where we have f of 0 equals x to the power of 4 minus 7x. How do you solve this problem to this stage? This is where the trick is, because we need to know what is x to the power of 4, and trying to put this as raised to power 4, we expand this, that will give us a lot of stress, because we keep expanding this in 4 times, even if we have to use the binomial expansions. So it's still going to give us a hard time because of this plus or minus. And how can we get this? It's very simple. Okay, so first is we need to know what is x squared. And if we want to know what is x squared, we are going to recall from where we have, we let x squared minus x minus 3 to be equal 0. So this is where we are going to start. By making x squared the subject, we have this as x plus 3, right? Again, we are going to x to the power of 4. Let's try to know x to the power of 3. To know x to the power of 3, we have this as x multiplied by x squared. And we shouldn't forget that x squared is given as x plus 3. Then opening this, we have x plus 3. Okay? And getting this, so this equals our x power of 3 equals x squared plus 3x. Again, I don't need this x squared here, but x squared is x plus 3. Replacing this, we have x plus 3 plus 3x, and everything here gives us 4x plus 3. This is for x to the power of 3. And also, we need to get x to the power of 4. So to do that, we are going to multiply x. This is x power 4, which equals x multiplied by x to the power of 3. But this one is x to the power of 3. So by replacing this, we have x bracket 4x plus 3. So having x bracket 4x plus 3, and by expanding this one out, we are going to have 4x squared plus 3x. Again, what is x to the power of 2? The x to the power of 2 here is given as x plus 3. So by replacing it, we are going to have x plus 3, then plus 3x. So here, expanding this out, we have 4 times x plus 12 plus 3x. Then 4x plus 3x, that gives us 7x plus 12. That is the value of x to the power of 4. Now, we can just try and put these two together. So by putting the two together, so we are going to have, alright, so we get x power 4 equals 7x plus 12. But what we have is f of 0 equals to x power of 4 minus 7x. So x power 4 is given as 7x plus 12. Then we have minus 7x. So 7x cancels 7x. We have this equals 12. This is how simple and tricky this thing is. So therefore, our f of 0 here is given as 12. Thanks for watching. How do you solve this? Let's hear the answer in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.